Welcome to Unpaired in Zug. It's an NFT gallery and I'd like to show you to the Tiamonds NFT show which we just did today here at the end of the Crypto Valley conference. Let me show you what we're doing here. So this is an NFT, but it's not only an NFT, it's an asset-backed NFT. It's a Tiamond. It's a tokenized diamond, number 120, and it's a real-world diamond stored in a Liechtenstein vault, insured, and fully backed the ownership right in this digital entity. But let me show you more. So we had been inviting here a group of people from the Crypto Valley forum and the conference who had been there today at the Tiamonds Crypto Brunch. And I've been talking about Tiamonds and the new launch of the new batch, which is coming out on 6th of June 2023. And we have been showcasing all different kind of Tiamonds here at the screens. What the crowd had been fascinated about is the fact that you can now invest in diamonds in a new asset class without moving the physical goods from A to B. The diamonds are stored in an insured environment in Liechtenstein, and the NFT is representing the ownership rights. So you can simply go to tiamonds.com, search your diamond you want to pick, and then buy it, own it, hold it. And if you are a holder of a diamond, then you get diamond hands, and there is a reward, you get TIA tokens. So that's our kind of fun educational part where you can learn more about the project, own some TIA token, and talk about the Tiamonds. So thanks for joining, everybody.